Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Newell again. Today I'm going to read a story that was given to my son by Cassidy. Hi Cassidy. This story is called Chicken Little, a cautionary tale. One day, a few years ago, Chicken Little caused quite a panic. This is what happened. Chicken Little was leaving for school on a sunny, happy morning when an acorn fell from a tree and landed on his head. Panic! Chicken Little got scared. The sky is falling, he thought. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little screamed as he ran. Henny Penny was walking to school when she heard the news. Panic! She was really scared, so she ran with her friend. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny screamed as they ran. Turkey Lurkey was waiting for the school bus when he heard the news. Panic! He was really scared, so he ran with his friends. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey screamed as they ran. Dizzy Ducky was skateboarding to school when she heard the news. Panic! She was really scared, so she ran with her friends. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky screamed as they ran. Foxy Loxy was sitting outside his cave, feeling hungry when he heard the news. Opportunity. He wasn't scared, but he was hungry. Run in here, he screamed. And that is just what the friends did. Now I've got you. Feed me, shouted Foxy Loxy as he slammed the door. Stuck inside the cave, the friends began to think. Then they began to talk. Then they began to figure out what had started the panic. Then they felt silly. We need to get out of here, said Chicken Little. Now, instead of being scared, Chicken Little felt brave. All of his friends followed Chicken Little as he snuck out of the cave and into the sunshine. Then they ran off to school. Life is good, Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky screamed as they ran. And from that day forward, Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky did not get scared so easily. They did not panic. They knew that being brave and staying cool was way more fun. The end. Whew, that was a close one for those friends. I hope you guys can take a lesson from those friends and stay calm and cool. Have a good night. Bye.